So when you try to run a website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript website, you might get a launch.json error. So let's see how we can fix that error quickly. Now you have this JSON here, sorry, we have this JavaScript file here, CSS file here, and index.html file here. And when we try to run this, let's choose Chrome. Now this launch.json file is created and nothing happens, and you get a launch.json error. So let's see how we can fix this. First, we don't need this. You can close this, and this .vscode folder is just a configuration that is used for JavaScript settings like this, but we don't need this. We can just delete this. So what is happening is it is directly trying to run JavaScript independent of our HTML. So how we run this is we include this JavaScript. As you can see here, I've included this JavaScript here, and I've included this CSS here. And when we run this index.html file in a browser, that browser will use this script.js and html.css. So that error is occurring because our Visual Studio Code is directly trying to run this instead of the browser. So what we can do is don't run it using this script.js. So when you are clicking on run and run start debugging, don't have this file open, have our index.html open. So when your index.html is open and you click on run start debugging, and then it will open in browser and everything will work. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.